Hi, I'm Jen.
And I'm Mitko.
And we're actually here because David inspired us to start a honey company in Bulgaria.
Yeah, and we wanted to see how he's running his business and the operation of the coffee farms.
We were blown away. The hospitality's been great, the team, every single person is so amazing. And we really saw how David has invested in his employees, in his operations, in his equipment.
It really gives me a confidence into the products that are offered to the investors, and also like the whole operation. It's just something that works, and it's creating value for everyone involved, creating value for the farmers, for the customers, for the investors, and
The coffee industry, really.
I'm blown away.